All right, I just got my new bike. It's the Crew Method 350, and I'm gonna be unboxing it. I got it for my birthday, and yeah. So it comes in the box, one front wheel. The front wheel's off, so you're gonna have to put that on. You need to take the seat off. Put the seat on. And yeah, we'll catch you back when we get it out of the box. So we just took it out of the box, and this is what it looks like. All right, we took it out of the box and we took all the packaging off, as you can tell. It was well packaged, and I'm just gonna show you all the accessories it came with. So this is the charger. It came with pedals, stunt pegs, reflectors, and a toolkit to put the bike together. And this is the seat. And this is the seat it comes with. I'm putting on the handlebars now with the Allen wrench it came with. All right, we put it all together now. It took like 30 minutes. Tightened everything up. Brakes work good, nice disc brakes. Tightened, half twist throttle. Put the pegs on, the pedals on, and the handlebars. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and like and subscribe to see more content on this bike.